Okay, welcome to the replacing a screen on an Acer Aspire 1. So the first things we gotta do is take off these little stickers here, and here. I find by using a little flathead screwdriver, it works the best. And just slowly jimmy it out. Okay, so now you got some screws here and here. So we're going to unscrew those. Okay, so now the next part is jimmying this bezel off. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a straight screwdriver and you're going to pry it in between the two casings, and you're going to slowly wiggle it back and forth until it slowly disconnects. See? So it's going to make a sound like that. You're slowly getting the bezel off. Okay, and now it should just pop right off. Okay, so now we got the top off of the bezel, and now you're going to take off some screws. You're going to take off, you got screws here and here, and you're going to unscrew those with a Phillips number 1. Oh, I forgot to mention, you also can use a Phillips number 1, which on the foot screws if you wanted to. Now we've done one side, now we're going to go do the other side now. So you got your screws here and here. Okay, so now you have your bezel off. Your bezel's been off, and now you're taking out those screws. This thing will come out. Now you gotta be very careful because there's tape holding the cable that's connecting the webcam. So I find by using a straight screwdriver again, you're gonna peel off the tape behind the cable. There's one on the top, and then there's one way in the bottom. When I take this off, you'll see it. So you got your tape here, which is white, so you're not going to really see it, and tape here. Now, in regards to the screen, now what the fun thing about the screen is you got, let me get this better for you guys. You got this clear, like Scotch tape, that's holding the zero insertion force cable. I find the best way is just to slowly peel off the sticker, the tape, and it comes off like so. Keep that because you're going to use it afterwards. And you're going to slowly pull off the zero insertion force cable like so, and there's your LCD screen. Now you're going to put it back, and how you're going to do is you're going to install it by taking a zero insertion force cable and plugging it into the zero insertion force connector, and then you're going to take that tape that we took off before and you're going to apply that back. Now the reason why the tape is there is because, like I was saying, it's zero insertion, so there is no clip really holding this cable to the connector. And now you're going to slowly put the LCD screen back, and you're going to use that tape, and you'll let it just fall on the tape, and that will make the tape grab on again. Okay, now you're going to screw those screws back in that you took off before. But you're not going to tighten them super tight, just going to put them loose. Let's do it this way. Oops. They're a little tricky, these little screws sometimes. And like I said, just a little bit of it. So that way if you have to play with the other side, you can play with the other side then to get the rest of the screws in. Oh, I put, make sure also that you don't put the wrong screws like I just did with the silver screws. These are black screws, and the black ones should be going back in there. Now the only difference between the black and the silver is that they're shorter, the black ones. So they'll screw in because it's the same thread. Alright, so we got 2 in. Now I'm going to do the other 2. Now you're going to tighten all the screws, but like everything else with computer stuff, you never over tighten. Just finger tighten. If you over tighten, you have a tendency of either damaging the screw or bending a piece of metal. Okay, so you can take that bezel that we took off before. Easiest bezel to put back on. You're literally just going to hear click, 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 click until you hear clicking all the way around, so there's no more clicking sound. Okay, so there's no more clicking sound, so that means that's in perfectly. Okay, now we're going to put back the silver screws into the plastic bezel. Okay, now we're going to take those black stickers that we had, and we're going to try to put them back on again. All those stickers are for is to hide the screws. Now, if you do your screen enough times, like I have, the stickiness goes away. Now, some people have told me they use electrical tape and they cut it around. Other people just leave it as is because they don't really care how it looks. So now I'm going to power it on. And we're going to wait till it gets to the Windows screen so you can see that it's booting okay. Now it's a netbook, so it's a little slow, and I'm using a webcam, so it's a little hard to see on the screen. Alright, and that's how to replace an Acer Aspire 1 laptop. Thanks, have a great day.